Hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Breaking Code, and today we're going to begin our Road to Glory journey on learning SQL. Please like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep this Road to Glory going and keep giving you guys some great content to get you on your journey to into development and for whatever reason you want to go into development for, whether it be to make lots of money or make something really interesting or add some value to the world or just make some games and have fun. Okay, so let's get into it. So what is SQL? Okay, or sometimes people call it SQL. Basically it stands for structured query language. Okay, and it's the go-to language for dealing with relational databases. Okay, it's used to manipulate database records by inserting, searching, updating, and deleting them. It can also be used to maintain and optimize a database's performance. We can do more with SQL, but at this level, let's just keep it simple. Okay, so why study SQL? Well, it's really easy to learn, guys. When we write SQL to do stuff, they're called queries. Okay, these queries are really easy to read as they are very similar to the English language. It's about around 40 years old now, so it's pretty much standardized, and then you can use SQL to access data really fast due to the fact that the data is stored in an organized fashion using SQL anyway. You can get paid some really big money as well, as SQL developers are in demand all over the world, as every company kind of deals with some form of data in some sort. So those are some good reasons why you'd want to study SQL. Okay, so what is a database? Okay, so we mentioned the term relational database earlier. Well, what is a database? Well, a database is just an organized collection of data. It's used to manage structured and unstructured data. It supports other activities such as data analysis and management. Okay, there are different types of databases, including relational, object oriented, and NoSQL databases as well. Our main focus in this course will be relational databases. They store and provide access to data that are related to one another. Okay, so that's the difference between a relational database and other databases. Cool. Okay, so what we're going to do to start coding is we're going to head over to Google to get all the things we need. And the first thing we're going to need is Microsoft SQL Server. Okay. Okay, so actually if I just hit download, it should give me all the there we go. So we head over to this link here. Okay, and you can just hit this button here to download the developer version, which is free as long as you're doing some development. Okay, that should trigger the download button at the top. Okay, when you click that open, it should open some prompts, like a prompt window. You click the basic version. Okay, and then you just pretty much follow all the prompts to get that downloaded. I've already got it downloaded, so I don't want to do that. Okay, but once you followed all the prompts and accepted everything, and once the download is complete, to make sure that you've got everything done correctly, because you're not going to see any new icons on your desktop or anything like that, you probably want to you probably want to check that it's actually worked. Okay, so how you do that is you basically just go into your search window there and type in SQL Server 2009. Yeah, well, SQL Server Configuration Manager. And well, as you start typing, it will come up anyway, and you'll see something called SQL Server 2000. Well, depending on what version you've downloaded, Configuration Manager. When you click that open, okay, what you should see is this. Okay, and this is just an indication that you've got SQL Server running and installed properly. Okay, and it should show state of running as well. Okay, so once that's all done, okay, the next thing is you want to kind of get SQL Server Management Studios. Okay, so you head over to Google and type in SQL Server Management Studios. Okay, and again you'll get this link, and you can click on that. Okay, and okay, it's got the download button here. You can click on that, and again it'll begin downloading. Okay, so once that download is complete, again do the same thing. Click on the downloaded icon and follow the steps to get that installed. Okay, it's taking a while, so let's give it a second to complete. Well, that took a while to download, but it's downloaded now. Okay, so you just click the icon when it's completed the download. Okay, that should open something up. It's taking a while. There we go. Okay, and you just click install, and then you follow the prompts that tell you what to do until everything is completed. And when everything is completed, you should get an icon on your dashboard or desktop looking to similar to this, so you can click that open. Okay, and basically SQL Server Management Studios is going to act like a graphical front end that we can use to interact with the database, okay, or the database server. Okay, so now that we've launched the app, as you can see here, there's a connect to the server, which allows you to obviously connect to the what we installed in the first part of the video. Okay, so that's the server we can connect to now. So if you click connect, okay, that brings us in. Okay, so we've connected to the server we installed. Okay, now if I just click on here and click new query, okay, we're going to create our first database using a SQL query. So if I type create database, and we're going to call this training. Actually, we'll use a capital training. Okay, cool. And then I click execute, okay, and then I get a message here saying commands successfully completed. Okay, so then if I head over here and click the refresh button here, okay, and then I open that up, I should see my new database called training. Cool. Okay, it hasn't got anything exciting in here yet, but at least we are ready to go. And there we go. That concludes this video, guys. Remember, practice makes perfect, so please like, comment and subscribe, as without your support I can't keep this channel going. And also any of the terms that I've introduced you to, if you want to get a deeper understanding about it, which is important, you can head over to Google and type in those terms and see what you find. Have a good day.